Howdy everybody. I've sketched out a little adapter fitting that I'm making for the tender hand pump. Those dimensions there are subject to change, but I wanted to show you happily have made the first part of it tonight. I started with some 9/16 inch hex brass, and as you can see I turned it down. Kind of wanted to show this. I'm going to finish the first one tonight, but I used the general purpose rounding high-speed steel tool bit that you see there to round the brass because it's an interrupted cut cutting into the hex brass bar. So first I turned down the section that's pipe threaded, the 1/4 inch pipe thread there. Turned it round first, then I put a taper in it, and then I drilled it through 3/16 of an inch all the way through, and then I've used the rounding bit to first reduce the entire remaining portion down to 3/8 of an inch. This part right here, that's 3/8 of an inch outside diameter, and I did the whole portion here. This is a 1/4 inch length undercut basically I made. There's no limit, there's no reason to make them small because these will be immersed in the tender, and so I thought making them a little bit larger would be fine. So this is 3/8 inch, this is neck down to 300 thousandths just to give a little undercut clearance for when I thread this. So the very next thing I'm going to do in just a minute is take the round nose bit off, put the cut off bit in there and cut it off right about where my pinky fingernail is, so it leaves about 188 thousandths of flat here. That's 3/8 of an inch in diameter, and then I'll turn this around. I need to knock all the edges off of this, but I'll turn it around in the 5C collet chuck, and then I'll be able to thread the outside here with the 3/8 32 thread, and then the first one will be done, and I need to make I think 5 of these. So it's fun to get back on the lathe, and after so long I haven't posted in a long time. I've been doing a ton of other things around the house and with work and family and all that kind of thing. So just getting started back in here. Hopefully I'll crank out these and produce a bunch of these parts this week, and maybe get the tender hand pump installed by next weekend. So thanks again for watching. I hope you like it. I'll keep you posted.